Accepting input and displaying output. Every program requires data for processing. This data may be accepted from the user, processed, and then displayed as output. Every programming language has specific statements to accept and display data. Python uses certain built-in functions for the same. Let's learn about some of the built-in functions that Python uses to accept and display data during the program execution. The function that is used to accept data from a keyboard is input. The input value entered by the user is stored in a variable. The input function uses a variable so that whatever data the user enters is saved in a named location in the memory. The value in the variable is assigned using an assignment operator. Let us see this example. To accept applicant's name, we will give the following statement. Applicant underscore name is equal to input, bracket open. Please enter your name, bracket closed. When this statement is executed, the message, please enter your name, will be displayed. The program will wait till the time user enters the input. The value entered by the user will be stored in the variable applicant underscore name. Because the input is a text, the value will be stored as a string. To accept and store numeric values, that is integers and floats, we have to use int and float respectively along with input function. For example, annual underscore income is equal to float, bracket open, input, bracket open, enter your annual income, bracket closed, bracket closed. So, here, if the user enters annual income as 3,45,698.56, then this float value is stored in the variable annual income. Age is equal to int, open bracket, input, open bracket, enter your age, close bracket, close bracket. Here, if user enters age as 45, then this int value is stored in the variable age. Displaying output. To display the output on the screen, we use print function in Python. For example, print hello, how are you? Output will be hello, how are you? Let us take another example with two variables to store percentage and grade. PER is equal to 78.4. Grade is equal to B. Print your percentage is, comma, PER. When you press the enter key, the output will be your percentage is 78.4. Print your grade is, comma, grade. Here the output will be your grade is B. We can even print the result of an arithmetic operation as shown in the example here. X is equal to 36, Y is equal to 7, product is equal to X multiplied by Y. Print, bracket open, product is, comma, product, bracket closed. So, you get the output as product is 252. So, now we know how to accept and display data in Python.